Much trouble my siblings went through to try to lift me up, riding my spirits a little bit. A lot better than now. Bam, don't have. No, no.
Oh, okay. I was like, bam!
Those guys?
When someone is hurt, especially, family, you help them. You help them get back up. We'll overcome it together. We'll work through anything. We'll keep building the ranch and the dream. That's what you do.
Pull it up! Oh, you got a rope right there! Dang! The fallout from bears can be able to help them out to find it.
I want to go and hunt with him right now. I'm hoping that I can find it with the magnet. Well, then Gabe had this little, silver replacement ring. I was like, maybe the cat won't move. I was like, keep it on and I don't say anything. And I was like, oh, still not. It's just the first thing you can see. Hey, guys. So, ostriches. Gabe in the tussle lost his wedding ring. I'm assuming you might know where it is, because you old ladies were probably watching the fight. Yeah, no, you were watching the fight. So, do you know where the ring might be? I definitely think the ostriches could understand it. So I was like, hey guys, do you mind telling me where the ring is?
Do the same thing back as the seconds?
Where? You're kind of pointing to the ground. Is it right there? See what? If you find it, don't eat it. I do things to say, pointed in the right direction. Because, everyone had gone in looking for it. I thought for the ostriches, Gabe goes,
I don't know if that's it, but it looks shiny. Whoa. It's like, it's good ostrich too. No matter how busy you are, you do